Montana Science Center. I have another very fun virtual science station experiment for us to do together today. So let's get started. As you can see on our agenda board, today's Tuesday, April 28th, 2020. For our virtual science station, we're going to be going in order. 1, introductions of what we're going to be doing today. 2, the materials, what we will be needing today. 3, the directions of how we do this. And 4, the explanation of how this experiment works. Like I said, my name is Sarah. I'm the program coordinator here at the Montana Science Center. And the title of today's experiment is called the Fishing for Ice experiment. For this experiment, you're going to need a bowl, ice, water, salt, and some string. To begin, I'm going to go ahead and fill my bowl about 3/4 of the way full with water. Next, I'm going to layer some ice on top of the water. Get a good layer going. Okay, now we're going to pretend that this string is our fishing pole. So I'm going to try to fish for ice using just this string. I'm going to try to put it directly on the ice and see if I can get any ice to come out. I don't seem to be getting any ice out using this method, so I'm going to try putting a little bit of salt on top of the ice and the string. I'm just going to get a good layer going. I'm going to make sure that the string is directly touching the ice. Okay, and now I'm going to wait a couple seconds and we'll see what happens. Okay, so I went ahead and set a timer for 1 minute. You can set a stove timer or a phone timer, even a sand timer if you have one. Or you can count if you would like. But if you notice, the ice was caught with our fishing pole. When we tried it without using salt, it didn't attach, but when we used salt, it attached. Pause this video and form your hypothesis as to why the string or fishing pole attached to the ice with the salt. All right, does everyone have their hypotheses formed? So here's how this experiment works. As you saw, when I used just the string to try to fish out the ice, it didn't happen. However, when I sprinkled salt on top of the ice, it somehow magically lifted the ice with the string. This is because the salt reacts with the water and melts it on the top surface of the ice just enough to form a small puddle of water. However, all of the other ice is bringing the temperature of the water in the bowl down, and it refreezes, creating a little sandwich of ice between the layer of the big chunk of ice and the string, allowing you to pull the string up safely without it falling because it's sandwiched. The string is sandwiched between some ice. There you have it. That is today's experiment. We hope you're all doing well, and we cannot wait to see you soon. All right, catch you next time. Bye.